Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we're going to see miscellaneous web actions and we're going to see concept of upload and download. So upload is very simple. If you want to upload any file, you tend to upload it. So it uses DOM and you just need to provide a file name and it will upload it. For example, upload, you take a web element and you say as a CSV file. So if you want to upload a CSV file, you can upload a CSV file. Similarly, you can also download by just specifying the download location, download to a folder, and you can specify download to a specific location. Example of that is download to, and you download to a specific location. In this case, you see example, the file will be downloaded into TagUI download files folder in C drive. So let's see example demo to demonstrate both the keywords of TagUI. Welcome back. To start on the example, launch our Notepad++. I have already created a file which is upload and download TagUI. So let's just get started here. So say example for actions, and that is upload and download too. So in this case, we will be seeing an example for a very popular website, which is called Convert CSV. So it's pretty popular. So there are a lot of websites which requires upload and download requirements, but I want to use this for showcasing wherein if you need to use CSV file conversions to any other format, we could use this site for that purpose. So CSV is a comma separated file. It looks moreover like very much like this. For example, I'm going to create a comma separated file, which is, let's say, serial number and name or website. So I say one, serial number is the first thing, and I say comma, and you say website. So serial number one, I say www.google.com, two, say comma separated, yahoo.com, three, you can say facebook.com. So let's say this is our site and just save this as CSV. Say website name dot CSV and save. So this is saved as CSV. You can open this one in Excel. It will show open in a row and column manner. So this is the file which we created. So let's just minimize this. And in this case, let's say I want to convert this CSV file which you have to a PDF file. Let's click on this. And here you have a lot of options. You can just copy paste the data from there, or we can choose a file where we can able to upload it, right? So you can click on this choose file, and this is where we have, right? So let's go here, that CSV file which we have comma separated. So if you really see any comma separated value, it shows like comma separated value source file in Windows as file type, and open. So when you say open and when you go back to your enter data, you can see all the things which you have on the content, you can see over there. Once you go back, you can basically choose any of these options. This is optional, and you can say choose a CSV file to table format or just to a PDF, plain PDF. You can choose either one of them. I'll choose this and I will save it. So when you do that, click it, you can see this is converted to PDF. It is opening in PDF file over here, and you can see the website here. Okay, I'm going to delete these files which has been created, and we'll do again. Close this, clear the input. So all the things are cleared. So you see nothing has been there. So we're going to use this example to perform our input output operation. So for uploading, we need as the syntax says, upload syntax specifies, you got to have upload, and you need to provide upload DOM, and the DOM should be given with hash. It should start with hash, whatever the DOM information is, as the syntax says, or element ID, say DOM of element, and as a file name, right? So this is what we are going to give. So our file name we have is, which we created few minutes back. The file name which we created is website names. So you can go here. This is what we created, CSV file. It's pretty straightforward. You can just open Notepad and create comma separated value. You can have more number of columns added, whichever column you want to add it. It's pretty straightforward. So it's a CSV file. We're going to use that file, website names, as our CSV file. So this is our location. This is where our file is. You can say copy and you can say paste it here for our reference. So I'll comment it here and we'll use it later when we want to use it. So for that, first thing is navigation. Launch and navigate to our site. The site which we are going to use here is convert to CSV file. You can just say come back and say convert to CSV and wait for flat like 5 seconds. And once you do that, now here in the site we need to navigate to convert to PDF. So to convert to PDF, let's check the DOM for this, or let's inspect this. You can go over here, which is 3 dots, come to more tools and developer tools, or you can come here and right click on it and say inspect. And when you do that, you will go to this place which is having convert to PDF. So let's just use standard, whatever you have it here, convert to PDF DOM object, and let's use it. You can say click, convert to PDF. This is the object we have. To PDF link. So let's test till this point if this works. So let's save this and let's minimize the whole thing which we have. To do so, let's fire our favorite command prompt. Then navigate to the location where file exists. This file exists at this following location. And when you come back and just say TagUI and provide the file name, which is upload and download TagUI dot upload and download tag dot tag, and say enter. So website launched. So far this is good. Our browser launched. So we are here where we'll see if it's going to click our convert to PDF. Looks like it clicked our convert to PDF. Yeah, so it works. So let's just go back. So we tested this works, and let's minimize this and keep it down this side. Let's move this one to this side and let's move on to the further things. So here we have navigated by clicking on the DOM object, which is PDF. So in this site, you have following options. So we can go and click on choose file, and you have a choose file here, and let's right click it on say inspect. So if you see here, we have a type file and you have an ID, and we will use this DOM object for our usage. So as the syntax says, as we have seen the syntax, upload, we will be uploading website.csv file to file. So this is what we are going to do. So the syntax goes is upload, and we should be using hash, and we need to provide a DOM object name or a element name, DOM of element name. So in this case, we have ID. We will be using the ID value, which is F1, and as we are going to provide our website.csv file name. So when you're going to give it, make sure it is in the same location where your TagUI files are. Otherwise, you have to provide path of the file where your file is present. So in this case, I have my website CSV name file already exist in this location. I'll be using that. Now let's click on this and say F1 as website names name.file. Let's confirm the name. Yeah, that's what it is. CSV. and let's wait here for 2 seconds. Let's save this and see if it works. Okay, so let's close this site. Let's not have anything else. Minimize this. So we have closed everything. Now we are going to run this file and say same thing with the upload instructions which we have added into it. So clear everything. Now let's just run this and see. So launched, browser launched. Now it's going to wait for 5 seconds as we have given hard-coded wait. Clicked on that and it has updated and saved. So now what happens is, although it did that and save, and it saved into your current file location wherever the files are, and that's where the file is downloaded. So you can see before that we didn't had it, now we had it. By default it will download to the location wherever the location your file is present. To specify download to a specific location, for example, I would like to download this into, let's say, C:, and TagUI flows, and this is the location where I want to download it. So to do so, right now you see there is nothing here, empty, no file exists. Go back and you specify here where you want to download it. For example, we said download, and to you specify I would like to download to a specific folder. In this case, I want to download the files which are there into this folder. So specify here. Now what happens is it's not going to download it into the actual location where your TagUI file is present. Instead, it will open. It will not save here. Instead, it would be saving into a new location. So to be very clear, let's just clear everything. So let's delete here, and let's see if you don't have file. So we have this. Look, let me put it here, and let's put this one here. So, and let's execute our script, because now what will happen, we are specifying the download location of the file, whichever is going to be downloaded, to this location. So minimize it and let's just run it. So I'm going to minimize a little bit more so that we can see both the things happening at the same time. Plus we have it here. We're going to clear everything and we are going to run now. So website launched. I think I should have pushed it a little further down. Yeah. So website launched. It is waiting for 5 seconds. Going to click PDF. And it's trying to upload. It's uploaded and the convert file is created. Now, if you see here, so I did not save this. Let me save this and let me delete again and run again. Delete it, run again. So clear this and run again. So launched. Wait for 5 seconds. Click on the CSV file created, and now you see file is not created in the same location where my TagUI script is. It is created into a location which I gave. So this is, if you don't provide it, it will download the file into a default browser location wherever it is located. In TagUI case, wherever the script is running, and that is the location it is going to download. If you want to download or specify a different location, you specify the location's path where the file is. The same way, if you are uploading a file, if the file is present in the same location where your TagUI script is, this is input file, then you can use it. Otherwise, you have to provide path. This concludes our sessions. Thank you for watching. Upload and download. See you in the next video.